Hey y'all, I just have a few things I want to tell you about the annotated bibliography that's due on Friday. I had some people who've had different questions about it, and I just want to make sure that everybody understands. So, first thing you have to do is go read the Finding Voices assignment. Okay? Read that, pick who you're going to talk about, then start your annotated bibliography. And so your annotated bibliography is going to be 3 sources, secondary sources. So your stories don't count. You're going to have 3 sources that are about one of your stories. So, for example, if you're writing about Cotton Mather and Martha Carrier, you might find a source about Cotton Mather. You might actually find something about Martha Carrier. You might find something about the Salem witch trials. Any of that could work. But you need 3. And so what I've got on the screen here is just a sample annotated bibliography. And I just want to show you quickly kind of how this would look. I know I gave you a sample actually on the assignment itself. So notice the same kind of MLA stuff. Then here what we've got is our actual citation, excuse me. Notice how the first line sticks out, then every other line is tabbed. And then after that we have the annotation. So basically in the annotation what you're going to do is you are going to sum up the article, and then you are going to tell me how you're going to use it in your essay. The reason I make you do that is so you kind of have a point for using the essay. Now, or using it in your essay. So, after you do that, this is how kind of a whole one looks. This is for a different class, so don't get too stressed out about it, but that's kind of how it'll look. I would think each annotation will be probably about half a page, so by the time you're done, you should have about a page and a half with the three of the annotations you're going to have here. Okay, so I do want to show you one other thing that I'm going to put on the announcements and send to you. This is a sample essay that I graded that somebody wrote in my class a million years ago. She gave me permission to use it, of course. And so what it is it's basically Cotton Mather's journal, and I graded some things here and made some comments on it. And then I put some comments at the end. I actually think this is a pretty good paper, even though I have some comments and some thoughts on it. But I would think this was probably an A paper. Low A, but an A nonetheless. Okay, so there's that as well. And I think that's all I wanted to show you that I have for you. Please make sure that you're using scholarly sources. I don't want stuff off the internet. I don't want you to Google anything. I want you to go to the LRC, find good stuff from their databases. If you have any questions, feel free to email, call. I'll be around. Thank you. See you later.